Look at the baby bird. And now the mama birds. See, there's the baby bird. And the mama bird is trying to protect it. Because it flew out of the nest when I was shooting baskets. I guess it made that baby bird fly out of its nest. But it really doesn't know how to fly yet. But the mama bird's all flipping out because I'm here, and the baby bird just flew out and it can't really fly. I mean, it flies for a few feet. That's all it can do right now. But the mama bird is saying, "Oh no, what am I gonna do? The baby's out of the nest." See, that bird's flying all around and the baby is just right there. I can't put the baby back in the nest, I don't think. So I don't know. The mama is saying, like the mama bird is flying all over. Oh, look at the baby. The baby flew over to there. See, there's the mama. And it's flying all around me because it doesn't want me to get the baby. It's flying all around because the baby's right over here. Where'd the baby go? Oh, there's another bird on the rim. Trying to make a bird there, and there's a bird there. See, right there, and they're both chirping away. But where's the baby? Where'd the baby go? No, I don't know where the baby is, so maybe it went under the deck. So anyway, I'll keep my eye out. I won't shoot up there because I'm making I'm shaking that nest up and making the babies fly out, I think. So I guess I'll stop for today doing that. Or I might do a few more, but anyway, that's it. And there's the chirping birdie. I don't know where the baby is. Oh. Okay.